Hello lovely people, welcome back to this new quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a group in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp application. Firstly, you need to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening the application, just simply click to this three dot button and click to New Group. Step 2. Select the people to add into group. Now after coming to new group section, you just simply have to select the person to add into your group, and after selecting the person, just simply click to this icon into the bottom right corner. Step 3. Create the group. Now after selecting the people who you want to add into your group, just simply name the group and proceed with other settings if you want to, and click to this button into the bottom right corner. After this, your group will be successfully created. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.